My movie body. Nakatulog. Oy, nakamata. Sasaba man, oy. Oh. Minaw. Kaya brother daw very good. Here mi nag-watch me og show. Umandari po siya. Dari daw siya kay mami. Hindi daw siya na po eh. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Kada daw siya kay mami. Crazy daw yung brother.
You're trying to call my bluff, but I'm not bluffing. So,
Cute king po. Very clean king po.
I've had a lot of time to think in here. You're right. I am a fraud. I've done things worse than you. And that's how I
Cute
know.
king.
Joey, you're not a killer. I want to tell you something. And once I tell you, I'll know your worst secret. And I'll know mine. Then you can let me go. A lot of interesting stuff in Benji's nightstand.
Who is Matthias' buddy in school? He's good.
He's working here.
I know. He's sleep. That's the mommy. Hoy! Someone knocks out Matthias Kuan is school. This is what happened. Oh, Kiki. No. You could sit here, but not there. Samukan mo ni, oy.
Look, this is square, Mom.
This is square. Oy! Kiki! He's funny. Nag-school si Matthias na ay samukan. Na ay samukan. Ano na yung samukan? Ano yung samukan? Ay! Kratsing na, kratsing. Si Mami, you embarrass me. Ay! Uy! Ay! Wala. Ay! Nang scratch na, nang scratch. Scratch na, nang scratch. Be nice. Ay! Be nice. Samukan. Nag-school si Matthias na ay samukan. Hey, what you doing? Did you disturb your brother? That's not nice. Look at He's scared, he's scared. No, he won't. He's a nice. He's sweet, sweet. Look. Bili samukan ba? Matthias school? Matthias school? Megatron is there. Now he won't love. Look, he's trying to play in the drawing. And then when Ezekiel do the coloring book, he wants to be there too. Look. It's like, wow, there is a bird right here.
You want to meet the bird?
Wala, he wants to color too.
No.
Wala, kasamukan ni mo do. Do, samukan kayo ka do. So dito kami sa kwarto today ni Mommy and Daddy work sa school. Oy! School daw si Kuya, nag-school. While ang isa naming baby andito. Nap time kasi ng baby Megatron namin. Nap time. Dito din siya, oy. Di rin magpahuli sa nap. Di nagpahuli sa grupo. Tinamad si Mami doon sa labas. Tapos nilang maligo, linis konti si Mami, and then dito lang muna kami sa bed, nag-school. Tapos yung Megatron naman, nag-nap din siya. Nap din daw siya. Kasi andito yung grupo. Favorito kasi din niya guys, na maghigda-higda sa bed na mo. So, dari na lang po mi. Cute kaya yan po. Ay, ang bawas pa ang po. Sa muka, anin. Sa muka, anin ni mother. Ay, bang matulog ta.
5 again.
Tulog daw siya. Well, iyang kuya kanina nagsamok-samok na. Well, iyang mga
God.
kuya ang isa naglantaw sa ni mami cellphone, ang isa nag-school si kuya, very good si kuya nag-school. Kahit summer na school kasi hindi pa natapos ni kuya kasi may book kasi to siya. Si kuya may book na school tapos may online. Kaya yung online niya tinapos namin kasi yung book tapos na.
And it's easy too.
All you have to do is compare size
Tapos
and
si
shape.
Badingding, si Badoy-doy,
Finish up those socks. My feet are cold.
sleep si Badoy-doy.
Hey, your
Naptap
feet are
ni
congruent shapes that were
nap naman ang nap time niya is like 10
Click the match to make a
10
congruent
and
pair.
11. Nag-sleep na siya here. Yesterday, we tried to find him. Uy! So cute eh. Parang nag-dream pa siya.
Socks are congruent.
The socks, yep. Congruent. Where's the congruent one? Go scroll down. I think that one is small. Ano, nag-dream pa. Megatron. Scroll down because I think this one is skinny. That's why you need to see it very good. I think that one. Oh, that's so big? You think? I think maybe you're right, huh? So Matthias is trying to find the congruent socks. Let's see.
Check you.
Yeah, maybe that one. Maybe you're correct.
Okay.
Uy, that's the
Let's talk
other
about the
eye.
answer together.
A little big.
This sock makes the match to make the congruent pair. There, click the button to move on.
Congruent is same size and same shape. The other one is
Click the
tricky.
match
It
to
looks
make a
like
congruent pair.
the same.
Oh,
is the-
you're
Let's
right.
talk about the answer together.
Right?
This sock makes the match to make the congruent
That's
pair.
okay to be wrong. You
They
will
are the
learn
same
from
size
being
and
wrong.
same shape. Got it? Click
You
the button
are
to move
right,
on.
Mom.
No, I'm glad I'm right. But it's okay to be wrong too. At least you try.
Click the match to make a congruent pair.
Pag
What you different?
asan yung grupo, andito yan siya. Pero si Megatron
Let's talk
talaga
about the
gusto
answer
niya dito
together. This sock
mag-sleep
makes the
sa
match to
room
make a
namin.
congruent pair. They are the same size and same
Favorite
shape.
spot niya.
Got it? Click the button to move on.
I'm right.
You're right. Yay, good job, kuya.
Click the match to make a congruent pair.
Sleep na siya. Samukan mo niya akong mother oy. Pang matulog ta.
Which
Cute na
word describes shapes that
naman.
have the same size and the same
Kapakute na
shape?
naman. Oh, kuya,
Similar,
nag-sleep eh.
equal, congruent, matching,
Cute siya.
Congruent.
Cute na
congruent.
naman. Siguro na siya
Yes.
cute
The
para
correct answer is C.
ganahan may maghalog-halog
Shapes that
niya.
have the same size and the same shape
Good
are
job,
congruent.
anak. School si kuya.
Find the shape that is congruent to this triangle.
Laging nagpapakute si Megatron. Cute kaya po.
Yes, the
Very
correct
little po.
answer is D. This
His
triangle
color
has the
is
same
black
shape
and white,
and the same size
and then his
as
paw
the red
also.
triangle.
Black
These
in the bottom
triangles are
tapos siya
congruent.
white and then sa po niya may black po here. So cute.
Find the shape that is congruent to this square.
Cute po. Yan.
Yes, the correct answer is B.
Mata
This
niya
square has
mata.
the same shape and the same size as the red square.
Pati si Matias,
squares
na-sleepy
are
po si
congruent.
Matias. Parang gusto rin mag-nap. Tatamarin ka talaga, Matias. Kasi nakahiga ka nag-school.
Which pair of shapes are congruent?
Sleepy na. Look at them. Hi. Sleepy ang yellow, Miss Silly. Hi. Naglambing sa mami. Naglambing sa mami. Lingkod siya ba? Sweet. Sweet siya na i-ring, guys. Gusto magpalambing-lambing. Pagpalambing naglag. Hindi ka na natulog. Nanguy abo. Nanguy abo. Nanguy abo. Love niya. Oh, ay, love niya. Careful. Manggigil si Ezekiel ba? Manggigil niya. Nanguy ab. Nanguy ab. Hindi katulog. Nanguy ab. Hindi katulog. Diyan na siya. Naglingkod siya. Naglingkod ko diri ato pud siya ay. Ganahan siya sa akong nagbawbaw nga tiyan. Kaya kuya Tiyash. Brother din niya si Tiyas. Where's daddy? Oh. Muna mong baby. Baby sa balay.
Yeah, baby.
Is he our baby? The youngest in the house?
Are totally kittens.
Totally kittens. Hello? Isu himself po. Wala.
I've always preferred the bite of
They can make
sword.
Ay, kiki.
29 baby kittens in their bellies.
And more aggressive.
Yeah, there's a lot up now. Papakute na
Like we
naman.
need some more red.
Kat-kat rin na dali. Kabalang na anak ko din Sunod-sunod.
Awesome.
Ano yung klaki ang
Oh, it kind of looks like Cool Whip. All right, Ryder, give it a try.
ano yung klaki.
Oh my
Ano ko din
Ryder.
naghigda-higda
You
naman sa
made a
mother.
mess.
Kukuyog na po siya.
That was so
Ano
yummy.
iyahang
Wow,
kalaki.
look at all the delicious cupcakes we made for the Paw Patrol.
Cute-cute pa na
Remember, they're
siya.
only pretend and not for real eating, okay?
Butang iyahang kamot.
Hey, what happened to all the cupcakes? Romeo, you
Samukan
should
daw
have
ko
shared when you
kayo.
had the chance. But I thought being bad
Yung
was
piyong pa.
cool.
Ano naman ko diri agay sa mong
It's
bed.
not.
Ni sunod. Magsige man siya kagkuyog. Magluto ta. Sorry ba doon? Bakit oh. Sige ambak-ambak sa itong atubangan. Kulang. Nalang patiran. Hindi makitaan. Sunod sa permi. Sleep na. Megatron. Minaw. Minaw ni Ezekiel. Dula man si Ezekiel na oh. Sleep na. Mag-sleep na. Kira na siya paningid. Kung ano tingkag ding dunggang. Sleep na. Hi. Hi. Hala. Oy! Nandito kasi siya. Wala magawa. Ay, that's so cute.
Oh, that's a man.
Tingnan nyo ang aking kanwal nag-watch ko ha. Oo. Yan yung mga kaberts ko sa panonood. Ningning. Megatron. Tulog siya. tulog. Tulog na tulog. Ay, kadami ba na akong pets? Ang dami naming pets. Yung pigi ho, ambak-ambak. Nagising si Megatron kasi nag-jump daw ang mga panda sa head. Tulog siya ba? Natulog. Tulog, among badingdong. Watch ko din, nag-watch. Tron. Di naman nahalos makita si Megatron. Hi. Oh. Ay, dreaming siya gumis siya. So, kaya ginamgoan niya. Iya kayo kapwa, kay kapwa. Diyan na siya nag. Naginani akong tiil, Diyan po siya. Kita na itong kunan ni. Short. Yan siya. Perte kayo, oh. Ano siya? Tulog siya, Nandito sa kwarto, sunod. Yan na po siya, naglingkod ta diri, sunod. Tulog siya, tulog. Kuan na siya, kapoy daw siya. Kapoy daw siya. Ikapoy si Megatron. Kapoy siyang kiak. Napagod diri, oh. Hi, Sikiel. Hi, yo. Abi na ako, isa lang ang na-knock-out. Na-knock-out. Ambot, ano yun? Dali mo na silang patulog nga mag-ilani ko. Abi man siguro, og tandayanan ko. Mag-isa po doon. Mag-isa. Tulog man di. Ay. Kildo na sila. Suko pang isa. Sasabaan mo na kung mother way. Ang Ezekiel di ay nakatulog. Nakatulog mo na nakatulog. Naluyan. Nantog din naduol. Pag naa ko sa kwarto guys, mura po ni si Ezekiel lang akong bunso. Kini siya, mawa ta kadali, mo dagan na ni siya dito na siya higda. I will watch in my iPad, ma'am. Karon na ako diri ko nagtan-aw sa TV room sa living room. Pag naapod dire si Megatron po, muna na ikaduha, sunod. Tupod siya una natulog. Sunod, ang tanong sa lida, wanna watch an iPad,
I do.
knock out. Na, duha na niya akong
The support of Kansas certified teachers and freedom to learn anytime, anywhere. To apply, call or visit us at kansasonlinelearning.org to find out more.
We got a lot of leftover parts from the last time we used leftover parts. There must be something we can do with them. You know, besides hodgepodges or art pieces. Wow, dude! What's all the junk in your backyard? It's like an obstacle course back here. That's it! I know we're gonna do that. What I say? You said obstacle course, of course. Oh, I meant to say chili cook-off.
Are you telling me that we have never been an obstacle course this entire summer?
Third, I'm filled with remorse that we haven't, of course, even thought of building an obstacle course.
Then let's build one and make it our new tour de force.
That's the plan I can clearly do.
Of course! Of course! Of course!
Of course, I'm putting an end to this before it breaks into song. Where's Barry?
Thank you for watching. Bunta magkita-kita pa kita sa sunod na higayon. God bless everyone.